Alright, so this is going to be the third tutorial, and it'll be on hashing at least. That'll be quadratic probing. So quadratic probing is sort of the third technique we're using to hash. The first one was linear probing, next was open chaining, and now quadratic probing. Quadratic probing is good because it uses basically perfect squares to pick where you're going to put the next item. So perfect squares are going to be 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, 25, and so on and so forth. 25, but just keep in mind that's how we're getting those numbers. They're not magic numbers, they're actually perfect squares. So, with that in mind, we start off hashing just as we normally would by making a table from 0 to mod 1, mod minus 1. And then if we hit a collision, we are then going to do our quadratic probing. We're going to try first 1 away. If that doesn't work, we're going to try 4 away. And if that doesn't work, we're going to try 9 away, and so on and so forth, using perfect squares as our example. Now the problem with quadratic probing is very frequently you will come across a scenario where you will never be able to insert an item. And you're going to have to do something called rehashing. Now I'm not going to explain rehashing in this tutorial, but just suffice it to say, if